Good day, sir. I am John Marie Migabon from Base Cream 3B. And now I am going to recite the parts and function of polygraph. First part, pneumograph, a device that measures a person's breathing pattern and breathing rate during the polygraph test. Number 2, cardiograph or cardiosphemograph, a blood pressure cuff placed on the arm that records heart rate and blood pressure changes. Third is galvanic skin reflex or galvanic skin response, a sensor attached that records heart rate, measures sweat, and gland activity or screen conductivity. Fourth, movement sensor or activity sensor, a device on the chair that detects body movements to see if the person is lying or trying to interfere with the test. Number 5, polygraph computer system. The computer and software that collect, display, and store the physiological data recorded by the interfere with the test. Number 6, pneumotubes. Rubber tubes attached to the fingers that measures electrical changes in this that measures pneumograph that transfer breathing pressure to changes the machine. Finger plates or electrodes, metal sensors attached to the fingers that measure electrical changes in the skin caused by sweating. 8. Chart recording system, the part of the machine that creates graphs or charts showing the body's reaction during questioning. And thank you, sir. That's all. Goodbye. Good day.